Washing your own car can be a rewarding and cost-effective way to spend time with your vehicle. Nevertheless, it can also be time-consuming and require a lot of effort. If you want to save money on car washing costs or just prefer to do it yourself, we've included some helpful recommendations and products to help you finish your chores promptly. Whether you're just getting started or looking to complete your car cleaning arsenal, these tools will help you keep your car clean and well-maintained. To help you get started, we've compiled a list of the best hacks and tools for faster car cleaning. Make sure to watch until the end so you will not miss any of the signs on the list. Before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications to get updates on new videos. Number 1. Use a foam gun. Number 1 is to get a foam gun. A foam gun can make your chore easier because it applies a thick layer of cleaning foam to the exterior of your car. This foam helps to loosen dirt and grime, making it easier to get that shine. It can also help to reduce the amount of time and effort required to scrub the car manually, as the foam lifts dirt and debris away from your car's surface of the car. Using a foam gun is easy. You only need to fill the foam gun with a mixture of water and car wash soap. Attach the foam gun to a hose and turn on the water. Spray the foam onto the exterior of the car, starting at the top and working your way down. And finally, allow the foam to sit on the car for a few minutes to give it time to loosen dirt and grime. Number 2. Get a pressure washer. The next item you need is a pressure washer. To give your car that showroom shine, you will, at the very least, need a garden hose with a spray nozzle or a pressure washer. A pressure washer can be a useful tool for aiding in car cleaning because it can help to remove dirt, grime, and other debris from the exterior of the car more quickly and effectively than washing by hand. Pressure washers use high-pressure water jets to blast away dirt and grime, making cleaning the car's exterior quick and easy. Number 3. Use a detailing cart. A detailing cart is a specialized cart that is designed to hold and organize all of the supplies and equipment needed for car washing and detailing. It is typically equipped with shelves, baskets, and hooks to hold items such as sponges, towels, brushes, and wax. This allows the person washing the car to easily access all of the necessary supplies without having to constantly bend down or walk back and forth to retrieve items. Having a detailing cart also helps to speed up the car washing process because it allows the person washing the car to be more efficient and organized. They can easily grab the supplies they need without having to search for them, and they can also keep track of what supplies have been used and what needs to be restocked. Number 4. Batch tasks together. Picking a specific part of the car to clean and focusing on that area can help make the cleaning process faster in several ways. First, it allows the person cleaning the car to concentrate their efforts on one area at a time, rather than trying to clean the entire car all at once. This is more efficient because it allows you to give their full attention to one area and thoroughly clean it before moving on to the next. Additionally, focusing on one part of the car at a time can help to reduce the risk of missing spots or areas that need extra attention. When cleaning the entire car at once, you can easily overlook small areas or miss spots that need extra scrubbing. Number 5. Be organized. Finally, number 5 is to be organized. Being organized can definitely help to reduce the time you spend washing your car. You should gather all of your supplies before you start. This includes items like a bucket, car wash soap, a hose, a microfiber cloth or sponge, and any other tools you'll need. Create a plan of action. Decide in what order you will wash the different parts of the car. For example, you might start by washing the wheels and tires, then move on to the exterior of the car, and finally tackle the interior. Those are the 5 car cleaning hacks that are guaranteed to quicken your cleaning process on days you do not feel like going to a car wash. Please let us know in the comments if you know of any other car cleaning hacks that speed up cleaning, or if you have some concerns about the ones we have listed.